So we're here at Copper. Nice thing about Copper is that the mountains leave some of their intermediate runs ungroomed. This isn't an experience you get everywhere, but you got about the slope of a typical blue run. Say it's not just that steep, but it's bumped up. So let's check it out. This run is definitely good. Practicing your form. Still gotta get through these bumps. It's less effort than a typical black run, which requires navigating a steeper pitch. Here's pretty flat, so you can go pretty fast. Best of all, it's right underneath the line. So while you're practicing your technique, you can look good in front of everyone who's watching you. Unless, of course, you whip out. In which case, you don't want to be wearing something highly visible. Oh man. Part is over. Let's find out for sure. Looks like got a little bit left. Yeah, that's probably a nice starter run for intermediate bump skiers here. There's also a couple runs off this lift that offer group terrain on part of the trail and bump terrain on another part. Those are really nice if you're looking to practice moguls as well. You gotta give Copper some credit for that trail's normally ungroomed, so gotta give Copper some credit for having consistently ungroomed blue trails.